Welcome, here we've got Nubia Z9 Max and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the mirror effect we have to change the back camera to the front camera, and we can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. So hi again, and from here we have to move to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the left corner, and when we do this we get access to these settings, and as you can see here we have the snapshot mirror. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.